Hey everyone, today I'm checking out this new magnetic ring card holder that snaps right on the back of your phone. I absolutely like it. It holds your credit cards, your money, everything you need. It works with MagSafe, so as long as you've got an iPhone 12 or newer, you're good to go. The cool part is the elastic card band. It actually stretches, so you can actually fit more cards than a typical MagSafe wallet. Your ID, a couple of cards, and a folded bill. It handles it all while still staying very slim. And when it's attached, you've got this built-in grip ring. So holding your phone feels way more secure, especially when you're walking around, filming, or texting with one hand. The whole thing is slim, lightweight, and the contrasting stitching gives it a clean, modern look. It honestly feels more stylish than most MagSafe card holders out there. If you want something that keeps your cards close, adds a comfortable grip, and doesn't bulk up your phone, this is a really solid upgrade.